Good morning. Welcome to another Designer's Den. I'm Kelsey here with Stacy.
Hello.
And we are at our Firestone location. And today we're going to talk about a style called Japandi. So we're going to explain what that is, which is a combination of two different styles.
Yes, it's a hybrid.
It's a hybrid, okay?
So it's a combination of a Japanese style and a Scandinavian style. They're both very similar anyway, but this kind of takes the two of them together and takes features from each side and kind of puts them together.
So in our space here, some of those styles are these natural woods and these nesting tables. They also have black accents, which is used in the Japandi style. Very subtle pieces of
very subtle pieces of black.
Yep, so like we have our black legs here on the nesting tables, some black metal over here, and it even flows into this Zuma diamond rug, which is a perfect blend of the Japandi style.
Yes.
It has different pile heights, but it still brings in that monochromatic style as far as colors go, with a little pop of, again, that black accent. And it has such a cute little fringe on the end as well.
Really cute. Wish I could show you that.
Which brings in a little bit more texture to the space.
Yeah. So Japandi also takes from the Japanese side of it something called wabi-sabi. Wabi-sabi is kind of a theory that there's always beauty in imperfections. So like a lot of natural things, like this bowl, this is our teak bowl that we carry here at American Furniture, has this neat little characteristic here, a natural characteristic.
Has like those little imperfections that make, it brings in the beauty of the actual naturalness of the piece of wood, which is...
And that's kind of that theory. So lots of things that have natural looks to them, even though they're not perfect, they're still beautiful and they can add to your room.
Okay, great. Well, this is a great little sitting space that we're in, and we're gonna actually show you some more living areas and a couple of different styles within the Japandi style as well. So let's go check out our next space. So we're here sitting on our Tate sectional, which is very in tune with the Japandi style.
It's very in tune. It's very low and deep, very comfortable, very loungy, but it's also a very clean line, very clean lines and a very crisp, clean look.
So we do have some black accents in here as well, which you can see in the ottoman. We also carry that over in some of the pillows, and then we have some accessories and other features that are also black.
Yeah, the screen behind us, a lot of fun. We carry these at American. We use them all the time. And then we've got our little lanterns here, just kind of pulling it all together, you know, tying all the black together. But again, it's very subtle. It's not bold. It's just kind of there, just enough to bring it all together.
So let's talk about this loungy sectional.
Yeah.
So the Tate sectional is very deep, which also ties into this style as well. It overlaps with the hygge style, which we've talked about in some of our previous Facebooks. If you haven't seen those, go check those out, because that's a very fun style too.
Yes.
And hygge is more of a lifestyle. So we can see that these are super deep and they are very loungy. Like you can lay back, you can put your feet up, and you know, watch your shows, things of that sort. So this is a really great set to feature some of those really fun styles with the clean line and the relaxation, and it kind of just brings it all together. So now we're gonna go and talk about our next section with another sectional, but kind of just a little bit different in color and look. So let's go check that out.
Okay.
All right.
Hi, we're over here again talking about Japandi style. We are here today with we're sitting on our Ashford 3-piece sectional. I love this sectional. It's cozy, it's soft, it's big, it's inviting.
All of these pillows.
Oh my gosh, if you
I'm
could
in
just
heaven.
feel it. Yes, it is perfect. It's just a big, cozy sectional.
I love this chaise
I know.
too. It's massive.
I mean,
You can curl up in here. It almost could double as a bed if you really needed it to.
absolutely.
Right? So again, it still fits the bill for the Japandi style, which also we have these wonderful cocktail tables that are super big in size, but still super low.
Low and big, they're called the Mesa. I love that. It's just like a Mesa. It's a Mesa coffee table. Again, natural wood, natural accessories that we brought in here.
So I love these little moss balls. Like these are great to like put in any sort of, you know, bowl or like little tray, basket. We even have some other like textures in here as well. So I think that adds to the natural point to this style as well. And as we come back here, this is such a great feature piece back here. So when we were talking about the imperfections of the natural pieces, elements that are in a room, this is such a fun piece because every single piece that's back here is different. It's a different texture, it's a different color, it's a different size. So this kind of really brings it all back into the room and ties the whole natural element of this look together.
Yeah,
so,
the wabi-sabi. Imperfection is beautiful.
Yeah, absolutely. What about lighting in the space?
So the Japandi style is also, they do a lot with light fixtures. Very subtle light fixtures, but they make a bold statement like we have here.
These are so fun too.
They're just baskets that, you know, we've kind of created this very bold look with something very simple, like a big basket.
Like a light feature, if you will, kind of in the middle of the space. I love the layers, the levels, the color, the texture. It really just brings this whole look together.
Yeah.
So if you have any other questions about the Japandi style, hygge style, please wabi-sabi, please drop some of those comments in below, and we would love to answer those for you. You can find everything that you've seen today and more at afw.com, and we will see you next time.
Bye.